The second your direct deposit notification pops up on your phone, a biological countdown begins inside your brain. You have less than a minute before your primal instincts start making financial choices you'll regret. And what happens in that critical window determines whether you stay stuck in a cycle or break free for good. What if I told you that a simple 10-minute ritual could completely rewire your financial future? My name is Leo, and on this channel, Wines of Thought, we explore the mental frameworks that separate lasting prosperity from constant struggle. If you're tired of the paycheck-to-paycheck anxiety and want to build something that lasts, hit subscribe. What you're about to learn will automatically place you ahead of 95% of people with your income. The average person is a financial ghost. Their money arrives, it gets spent on autopilot, and then it's just gone. They know the bills get paid, but the process feels like magic. They're navigating their economic life in a fog, constantly surprised when the account balance hits zero. The fundamental error is treating a paycheck like a windfall, a surprise bonus instead of what it truly is. Your future freedom, delivered in bi-weekly installments. Successful people don't just spend, they deploy their capital. They have a non-negotiable system that starts the moment money lands. It's not complex. It won't make you an influencer, but it builds real, lasting security. The secret lies in a single mental shift. Your income isn't just currency for today, it's the raw material for the life you want to build tomorrow. Most people operate in reverse. They cover their lifestyle, indulge their wants, and then hope there's something left to save. Unsurprisingly, the tank is always empty. The wealthy flip this script entirely. They fund their future first, assign a purpose to every single dollar, and make their money work as hard for them as they worked for it. True financial progress isn't just about your salary. It's about your system. Think about it. Someone earning $45,000 who consistently saves 15% will build more security than someone earning $90,000 who spends it all. The person with the system builds a fortress, while the high earner remains on a financial tightrope. This brings us to the cornerstone of the entire process. Before you can build anything, you need a map. You must know with absolute precision where your money is destined to go. The first step in our Payday protocol is to define your essential survival number. These are the non-negotiable costs required for basic living. We're talking shelter, essential groceries, fundamental utilities, necessary transportation, and healthcare. I'm not talking about the premium streaming package or the fancy gym you visited twice. Here's the uncomfortable truth most people avoid. We have a remarkable talent for convincing ourselves that luxuries are needs. That expensive car becomes reliable transport. The daily gourmet coffee becomes essential fuel. But let's be brutally honest. If your true necessities consume more than 50 to 60% of your take-home pay, you're either in a home you can't afford, or you're mislabeling your desires. Let's paint a picture. Imagine someone bringing home $4,000 each month. If their rent is $1,500, their car note is $350, and groceries cost $450. They're at $2,300. That's 57.5%, a manageable load. But then the small leaks appear. The delivery apps, the subscription boxes, the impulse buys. Individually, they're tiny. Collectively, they sink the ship. Clarity here is your superpower. Knowing your real survival number tells you exactly how much ammunition you have left to build with. Step 2 is about protecting your financial reputation, your credit. This isn't about eliminating all debt today. It's about making your minimum payments, on time, every single time. Your credit score is your financial passport. It dictates the interest rates on your mortgage, your ability to lease a car, and sometimes even where you can live. Here's a startling fact about the credit system. It's brutally unforgiving. Making 99% of your payments on time is considered good. But drop just a few points, and your score can plummet. It's a game of perfect attendance. This step feels mundane, but it's the foundation. Now let's talk about the ultimate financial shock absorber, your emergency fund. I know it sounds as exciting as watching grass grow, but this is your financial seatbelt. Life is a master of the unexpected plot twist. Your water heater explodes, your laptop dies right before a deadline. Your pet needs an urgent vet visit. The goal is to stash 3 to 6 months of your essential living expenses in a safe, accessible place. Not in the volatile stock market. Not locked in a long-term certificate. Just in a plain, boring, government-insured savings account. For our example, with $2,300 in monthly needs. That's a target of $6,900 to $13,800. Your emergency fund isn't an investment, it's financial body armor. That number might feel massive, but you build it brick by brick. The real return on an emergency fund isn't the interest. It's the deep, quiet peace of mind that comes from knowing you can handle life's surprises. Once this fund is secure, you've officially moved from survival to builder. This is where the magic happens. Step 4 is about making your money work for you while you sleep. Investing. If your job offers a retirement plan with a company match, this is your absolute #1 priority. Think of employer matching as your boss handing you free cash for your future. If you make $60,000 and they match 3%, that's $1,800 of instant, 100% return just for participating. You cannot find a better deal. Beyond the match, aim to invest 10 to 15% of your gross income for the long term. The math here is breathtaking. If you start investing $350 a month at age 25 and average an 8% annual return, you could retire with over $1 million. Wait just 10 years and you'd have to more than double your monthly contribution to catch up. Time is the most powerful ingredient in building wealth. Don't get paralyzed by perfection. A simple, low-cost index fund that tracks the entire market is a fantastic start for most. You're not trying to beat the market, you're trying to join it for the long ride. With your retirement foundation set, step 5 is to aggressively tackle high-interest debt. This is where psychology matters. The mathematically optimal method is the avalanche, attacking the debt with the highest interest rate first. But the snowball method, paying off your smallest balance first for a quick win, can be more motivating. Choose the strategy that keeps you going. The goal is momentum. Once your non-mortgage debt is cleared, you can explore other investment vehicles, like a Roth retirement account. With a Roth, you pay taxes on the money now, but all the growth comes out tax-free in retirement. It's a gift to your future self. For standard brokerage accounts, you'll pay capital gains taxes, but holding investments for over a year qualifies you for better rates. This is why thinking long-term is so profitable. Now for the master key that locks the entire system into place. Automation. Willpower is a finite resource. You might feel motivated on Monday, but by Friday you're drained. That's when you'll say, "I'll transfer the money next week." Automation removes you from the equation. Your financial plan executes itself, regardless of your mood. Here's a system you can steal. When my paycheck lands, I let it sit for 1 business day. Then the robots take over. Automatic transfers whisk money away to my savings, my investment accounts, and my debt payments. I never see it. I never miss it. The system runs on autopilot. Automation turns your intentions into inevitable outcomes. But here's the final piece. You must recalibrate your autopilot. When you get a raise, increase your automated transfers. When you pay off a debt, redirect that cash flow. This paycheck ritual is simple, but it's transformative because it creates consistency. Start treating your income like the powerful tool it is. Automate the process, stick with the plan, and in a few years, you'll look back and wonder why everyone doesn't do this. If this added clarity to your financial life, do me a huge favor and hit the like button for the algorithm. It really helps our channel, Winds of Thought, grow.